Itel mobile pattern and password unlock. This phone is Itel A48. Power off, then volume down and power key. Press volume down and power key. Press few seconds. Hold volume down and power button. When Itel logo, then release power key. Power key release. Volume down. Select web data factory reset. Then factory data reset. Selected. Press volume key. And this phone is formatted. Formatting data. Wait few seconds for formatting data. Work formatted. Okay, format okay. Then reboot and wait 2 minutes. This phone is Itel A48 L6006. So Itel all model work this method. Next, again next, or next, accept, next, then accept. Okay. Itel A48, A46, A47, A49 play, same system, same rules. All Itel device unlock this system and new method. This phone is okay. Okay friends, and wait few seconds, just ready. All apps so okay. Allah Hafiz.